The National Safety Council says if you don't have seatbelts, get them. If you do have seatbelts, use them.
Buckle up for safety, buckle up. Buckle up for safety, always buckle up. Put your mind at ease, tell your riders please. Get your seatbelts buckled, everybody buckle up.
Get out the way.
You coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that. I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that.
Okay, alright, that's fine.
Ready or not, here I come.
Like a sauna, back to back, run through shots like a drive-by. If you miss a punch, you'll get kicked to the sideline. Run it up, 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 run it up like a track star. Run it up, 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 run it up like I'm that star. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Bust it down like my face glue.
It's time for the circulating. It's time for the circulating. I'ma shake with my money game. I'ma shake my money maker.
Pop to the bass, I'ma make you drop. Pop to the bass, I'ma make you drop. Pop to the bass, I'ma make you drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop.
That was a True 410. Buckle up. Up next to the stage, True 410A with a senior lyrical line. This is Evermore.